Okay, so what I'm quickly showing here is the smooth tool and how it works inside of Sculptris. So I'm going to drop the strength right down, so it's very low. Keep that size of the brush fairly reasonable, a bit small maybe. Turn the detail right off, so I'm not going to add extra detail into it. Now, we can simply brush over that, and you'll see there, it's quite smooth. There's a bit of lumpiness there. Let's give it a little bit more strength. Yeah, we should add symmetry on. No biggie. Now, the part that I really want to show is just down here. Okay, so in here, see, that's kind of what you want. Not exactly what you want. See how it's doing that? Real easy. So, and I can smooth that in there and see how it's carving it away. Now, not all the time you'll want to carve, but that's what you can invert. And it'll just smooth it to the outer extremes a little bit. I mean, it still reduces, but it reduces less. Now, your other thing you can do is you can draw. So we might draw a bit of a platform down in there. Too wide, so just make that brush size a bit smaller. Just zoom in a bit and see again, too harsh. Now it might look a little lumpy there, but that's okay, because we can then use our smooth tool. And that is how it should be. Oops, wrong thing there. Beautiful. Now you'll notice that these toes look a little bit stuck. So what we need to do is we need to not even there. That's a bit better. Alright, so we need to obviously pull the toes down and down. So we get the grab tool. Grab. Now, see how that grabs like that? That's kind of what you want. Now let's do this. Bring that strength right up. Detail right down. And let's try. Zoom out a little bit more to make our brush bigger, relative. Now it's not really quite going down as I wanted, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to make this brush quite large and grab just around this toe section and see if I can't just pull the foot down a bit at the tip. Now the foot's scale is a little odd too. So you see, again, here's where what I can do is I can grab from this side, smaller a bit, it's about there. Push that in a bit. Now those toes, the tips of them need to come in, so let's bring it to there. I really just want to move that pinky toe. So we'll move it to there. And it looks like we have to zoom in here for a sec. This toe should have come out to there. And now if we use our draw tool, we're able to draw a bit of a subsurface in there. And you can see it's creasing a little, but that's okay, because we will smooth that out. Okay, so what's the point of all this? It's so that I can show what the current software that I've been using does, to find out what the new software can do in similarness. So that gets us that kind of a result. And you know, a couple of quick little clicks there, and that'll smooth out the roughness of the tools a bit more. Okay, so what I'm looking at there is the product. How do I do that using other software?